Good morning to all of you. I'm here with my third edition of A Bird's Eye View of GST. This is an expert edition. I'm here to tell about the book. We covered 30 in-depth chapters. Every chapter's key points will be there which will resolve most of your queries. Every section and subsection we created the headings, so it will be good to remember the provisions of the law. Apart from that, some specific chapter we added like reverse charges mechanism, this is the hot topic, job works, composition levy, and import and export. Even we have given the guidelines of the import. Apart from that, accounting entry chapter will added advantage for you. It will resolve most of your problem while doing the accountings. Then we added the rates of goods and services. Above all, being a speaker this year I addressed more than 100 seminars. And I realized that most of the people they confused in SGST and CGST because nearly 29 states and 2 union territories has to adopt SGST. And this is the GST that decentralized, so it's not easy to read 31 SGST Act if you are present in every part of India. So we have given a comparative statements of CGST Act and SGST Act which will resolve most of your queries and doubt about in this regard. A lot of things is about the books, but I request all of you to give your feedbacks after reading the book, because your feedback is important for us and it is really important for the next edition. I am assuring you that if the good suggestion will be there, we will cover those topics in our next edition. Thank you all.